In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an accountant's copy in QuickBooks Desktop. If you need to share your books with your accountant without giving up day-to-day access to your company file, sending an accountant's copy is a very useful option. It allows your accountant to review and make changes to your records for a specific period, while you can continue working in QuickBooks on your end. The key part of this process is choosing the correct dividing date, because that date determines which transactions your accountant can work on and which ones stay available for you to edit. To begin, open QuickBooks Desktop and go to the File menu at the top of the screen. From there, choose Send Company File, then select Accountant's Copy. Next, click Client Activities, and then choose Send to Accountant. This will open the workflow for creating and sending the file. QuickBooks will ask you to select a dividing date. Take a moment here, because this step matters. The dividing date acts as the cutoff point between your work and your accountant's work. In general, your accountant will be able to make changes to transactions on or before that date, while you can continue working on transactions after it. Choose the date carefully so it matches the accounting period your accountant needs to review. After that, enter your email address and your accountant's email address in the fields provided. Make sure both addresses are entered correctly so the file notification goes to the right place. If there is a typo here, it could delay the process. Next, create a secure file password. This password protects the accountant's copy and should be something strong and easy enough for you to share securely with your accountant through a separate method. For security reasons, avoid including private details in the password itself, and make sure your accountant knows exactly what password to use when they receive the file. Once everything looks correct, click Send. QuickBooks will then prepare the accountant's copy and send it using the information you entered. Depending on your system and connection, this may take a few moments, so let it finish completely before closing the program. And that's it. Once the file has been sent, your accountant can access the copy and begin their review, while you continue working in QuickBooks within the allowed range. This is a simple and efficient way to collaborate without interrupting your regular bookkeeping workflow.